This water is coming downstairs. I can show you where. Something leakage over here and here. We need to do some softening.
Is this someone took a shower today already?
We take every day the shower.
Okay, so this is water that was here. So what's leaking?
This is going, I think so, this is going downstairs.
Oh, it's leaking downstairs.
Downstairs.
Oh, okay. Let's try downstairs. Man, this house looks bigger than what it is.
No, man, it's big house, but
It's big on the outside. It doesn't look this big.
see, everything down.
Okay. Oh wow. And that's that shower.
I think so, yeah, it's a shower.
Oh wow.
That's the shower. That's the shower.
Let's walk back up there. How long this been dripping like this?
This is like.
Say it again. 2 or 3 days ago. Okay, let's walk back up there. I want to see exactly where this is at. Get a measurement. Okay. All right, let's go back up there.
मैं तो तेरे को सलाम करने के लिए फोन करी। मैं तो तेरे को सलाम करने के लिए फोन करी। हाँ, अल्लाह पर सबा वो फोन आ गया। हाँ।
Can I go back up there? Ma'am, I'm gonna go back up there. I need to measure.
मैं तो चुप ही रही।
On the back side over there. Man, if I could find my way back.
Just give me a minute. Wait a minute. हाँ, ये लगी रहा था। तो फोन बहुत मैं तो कुछ हो गई जब्त हो गई थी भाई ये तो सुबह फोन तो कौन चला रहा है
Wow, is that 100 inch? Okay. All right. So it was 12 to 15 from the back. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, it's right over here.
हाँ अरे नहीं मेरे दोस्त लगा जिससे मेरे दूसरे भी दोस्त थे ना हाँ बहुत अच्छी है तो उनके जो पता नहीं चला मुझे बेचे नहीं होता और फिर लोग खराब तो नहीं करते मुझे ऐसा तो वो नहीं भले लोग हैं तो अपने घर पे रहेंगे मुझे उनके जो मेरे अच्छे मिलते हैं मेरे से सुकून से रहते अल्लाह का शुक्र है मेरी हाँ एक तो
Look like we got a grout issue here.
एक दूसरी जो थी बेचारी एक दूसरी थी ना उसकी तो जो पीछे पड़े लोग मेरे फोन करने पे उसके ऊपर लाठियाँ देना चालू कर दी औरत
even though I don't see too much wrong with the grout. However, there is a leak right underneath this. Let's open up the drain. Hey, Facebook plumbers. Any of y'all see a drain like this? This shape right here. This ain't just simple basic silicone problem. And you know, it ain't too much cutting underneath because they got an actual a sauna, like a little sauna room underneath this. And it's not going to be fun cutting the wood to that sauna. I don't think that's possible. I don't know how this opens. Or if it opens. The name is ACO. ACO is the company. Where y'all at, plumbers? My master plumbers out there. Okay. What kind of faucet we got here? Wow. I don't see no name. That's the cylinder. Different brand.
Yeah.
So this was made separate. Come here. Okay. We got some separate stuff going on.
This is the line. Color.
Got you. So it's Kohler. Okay. So that's a Kohler system in that shower. And the drain, that drain says ACO on it. Never heard of it. So, yeah, ma'am. Ma'am.
What is the problem?
Well, we got two issues here. You got missing grout, and when it turns black like this, just let me know that it may be affected underneath that we can't see really.
So the grout is missing?
The grout in this shower has some little spots.
So do you want me to put...
Just some spots.
Okay. So we want to re-grout everything?
Right, you have to have it re-grouted. Mm-hmm. Or some people who look at it, who do grout, they can actually look at it and re-grout just particular spots sometimes.
No, we don't want. We just do it, re-grout it together.
Well, the whole thing, there's a shower pan under here. It has to be rebuilt and reset. Yeah, underneath it. It's called a shower pan.
So you can do it from the top? We have to remove everything?
No, you have to remove everything.
This thing?
Yes.
Oh my God. That's
what I'm trying to tell you. But there's some people who can maybe fix some sections of it.
You can do that?
No. There's someone who does the grout work and they do this type of work. But I mean, I know of it, but I'm not gonna say I do it. This is a professional situation, so I don't do something that I'm not professionally licensed to do. I'm a licensed plumber, and we plumb.
But those only putting for those things is too expensive. You're saying 60,000 is too much.
Yeah, for underneath the P-traps.
Yeah, to do the P-traps.
Yeah, that's 120 for both of them.
That's expensive.
Well, I mean.
You just need to remove it and put it. Just take a second on that.
Sometimes, but I have bills to pay. If I was out here just to come and be a nice guy, then you'd be right. But I have to make money.
If you be a nice guy and make money, I don't say no. But
well, $60 for that is like minimum. That's very cheap compared to anyone else. Anyway,
for one thing,
I work for Roto-Rooter. I work for Roto-Rooter, Rescue Rooter. I work for all of the big companies, and there's nowhere in the book.
I have some other people also which I can give you. They need something.
I appreciate it. Thank you.
You know.
Thank you.
But we need a good discount on you. Then I can, one by one we can recommend.
Yeah.
You say
Trust me.
$60 for one. and just putting the hose line for.
How many you got? You said
Two.
2 of them, right? For $120. I mean, I'll do 2 for 100. Okay, leave it even.
And the pipe is separate?
The pipe, you have to buy the material. Yes, the type you want.
No. The pipe is like you're putting the pipe is inside
Which pipe?
to clean the sink. You said that
To
is
clean the
90.
sink, I have to take the drain loose. I have to get a machine that I pay for, special machine. There's a drain cleaner. It's called a tub gun.
My husband is not picking it up.
Uh-huh.
And if he says yes,
Yes.
and I'll get the material,
Yes.
and then you can come by and we can do it for that.
Sure. So it'll be 50 for the sinks and 90 for the drain.
90 for the drain.
Yes, ma'am. And I'll come out and put it in for you. And
This is your new number, right?
yeah, you can use that number. I'm gonna be
What's
using
your
it for,
name?
Asmar. ASMAR.
Yes.
ASMAR. You gotta drink you some tea or something. Ginger. Get some ginger. Smash the ginger up and drink some ginger.
Yes, ma'am.
Yep.
Okay,
Yes,
I'll let you know.
Yes, ma'am. All right. This way. Uh-oh. Sorry about that. Okay, you have a good night. See you later.
There you go, back. Thank you.
You're welcome. Woo! Another estimate down, Facebook plumbers. Tell me what was my rights and wrongs, man. Let me know. You know, such a beautiful neighborhood. So I'm out of here, guys. Hey, so let me know, please, man. And you know, no mean talk, man. Just give me some good advice. You know, I'm a licensed plumber. I'm gonna do what I do anyway. You might as well give me good advice if you really love this art. Cause we gotta all learn together. Everybody knows something that the other don't know. One love.